Okay, well, we're going to do the next part of your project here. This is the actual creation of the forms. So go ahead and open up Visual Studios 2017, new project. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is right here under Location, click Windows Forms App, go ahead and change the location of the project. We want it somewhere it's going to stay. I personally prefer the desktop. Okay. We're going to rename this Final Project, and then click OK. Okay. Now, first thing that comes up is Form 1. Let's go ahead and sort the properties alphabetically. Change the name of Form 1 to FRM Login. And go down here to the text. Change the text, as you can see, it's right up here in the corner. Change that to Login. Okay. Let's pull open our toolboxes. Now, for this toolbox, we're going to need 3 buttons. We're going to need 3 labels and 2 text boxes. Okay. I'm going to move a bit fast because everyone should already know how to do all this. Let's start with changing the names. So this text box right here, TXP username, TXT password. We're going to name the label LBL username and LBL password. Going to name this button BTN Clear. Going to name this one BTN Login. This label right here is going to be LBL Register. This button is going to be BTN Register. And then I'm going to change the properties. So the label LBL username, the text should just say username, colon. This one right here, text should just say password, colon. Really quickly, we want to click on the password box. And you can either tell it to use system password character, or you can go to password character and put in your own. We're going to use the asterisk right here. So when you type in this box, it's just going to appear as nothing but asterisks. Okay, button 1, this is button clear. We're going to change that to clear. We're going to change this to login. We're going to change the content of this label to don't have an account. Click below to register now. And we're going to change the text of this one to register. Okay. Now, let's take a moment to kind of organize this and make it look a little nicer. Okay. Looks fine to me. Next up, we want to go Project, Add New Item, Windows Form. And it's going to be our Form 2. We want to go ahead and name this form here FRM Register. And And we want to change the text to say register account, or you can say create account. Either one's fine. Yep. Going to change the size of that, and we're going to need a few labels, 2 buttons. So, we're actually going to need 3 buttons again. Okay. Now we're going to need a label here. Okay, first name, last name, username, email address, password, confirm password. Okay, so that's 6. So we're going to need 6 text boxes. So let's go ahead and pull them up. Text box, and just copy and paste, 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 paste. There you go. We got 6 of them. So let's go through and change all their names. We got this one, which is LBL first name. We've got this one, which is LBL last name. This one will be LBL email. This one will be LBL username. This one will be LBL password. And this one will be LBL confirm password. And while we're there, let's make sure use the proper formatting for all of them. Now, text boxes, let's go ahead and match them up here with the labels. First one, going to be TXT first name. Next one's going to be TXT last name. This one's going to be TXT email. This one's going to be TXT username. This one's going to be TXT password. This one's going to be TXT confirm password. Okay. This button's going to be BTN back. This button's going to be BTN clear. And this one is going to be BTN register. Okay. We're going to change the text values of all these, so I can go down here really quickly. First name, last name, email, username, password, confirm password. Okay, let's go ahead and also on these 2 password text boxes, what we want to do is go to password character, no, that's why I'm clicking on label. Okay, password character, we want to do that and put the asterisk in here too. Okay, for the buttons, let's change the text on these to exit registry or back. We're going to change this one to clear. And this one to register. Okay. Let's go ahead and highlight all these and make the vertical spacing equal so they look a little nicer, and make all their lefts match. Okay. And we can just really quickly make all of them match evenly with this. Highlight it all. Go over, make it a little longer. Let's drag the buttons up here. And we're going to want to add one more label as a warning label. So, label. Okay, we're just going to make it invisible, so take out all the text and change it to that'll be a warning. You'll understand why in just a little bit, but while we're doing all this, let's go ahead and add one more form. So project, add new item, Windows form add, and we're going to name this one feed. FRM feed. And going to change the text to also say feed. We're not going to really add anything extra yet, but I just wanted to go ahead and have that there. Now, save all. Okay, this is done. You should be able to access this project from your desktop or wherever you saved it. So I would double checked, yep, right there, and we are good. So congratulations, you finished the second part of your project.